Hello everyone, how are you all? My name is Ramandeep Kaur, your host at Learn Grammar for IELTS. Today I would help you with the cue card. Describe something that you did with someone or a group of people. You need to say what it was, who you did it with, how long it took you to do this, and explain why you did it together. Before moving, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell icon below. In our lifetime, many times we have to do a teamwork. Today I would explain my artwork that I did with my friends. Being a teacher, we have to organize many activities for the students. Today I would talk about the activity Green Day that was conducted 2 months ago in my school. Everything in the school had to look green on that day. Children were told to wear green attires on that day. I and my colleagues did the artwork for that day. We decorated the activity room with all green, beautiful hangings. We made green color flowers for the pinboard. This whole thing took 3 to 4 hours to complete. It was not possible for a single person to organize that kind of event, so we had to do everything together to finish everything quickly. We clicked a lot of pictures of the event. Children brought plethora of green veggies and green fruits to the school. Actually, there was a competition in the school in which the student who had maximum green objects or things would stand first. We had a great fun on that day. There was a correction. So, thank you. Have a nice day. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.